What's up, guys? It's your boy OnlineEarnHunter. So I'm back again with another update, but this one I got it from my YouTube friend called Morad Inside. He has a YouTube channel. He just showed me another app whereby you can verify any site like inbox dollars, swagbucks, free cash, my points, and these numbers are reusable. You can use them more than once, meaning that you can renew them after a period of 1 month and use the same number as much as you want, as long as you buy the points, which I'm going to show you on how to buy the points. So without wasting time, let's go to Play Store, search this app called Pingme, this second one here, this one, Pingme. So just click install. It's a pretty interesting app. It can verify even USA banks, PayPal. You can use it to create a WhatsApp number, a WhatsApp profile with it. You see, it has so many options. So first of all, you go to Play Store, you search for Pingme number. You can see the icon, how the icon looks like. After that, I'm going to show you what next. So as you are waiting for it to download, my internet is kinda slow. So it's almost. We are done. Now it's verification by Pay Protect. Then you should get inside the app now. I'll show you how to register and everything. So okay, I've been verified. We're good. So allow. So it has opened. So they say manage your subscribed phone numbers here at the top icon. You can use these phone numbers to receive app web verification codes only. Note, text and calls to others cannot be made with these numbers. So these numbers cannot send text and calls. They can only receive text to verify your app and websites. Make sure you understand. So this is the first page you come in after you log in. So under this page is the verification page, where you can now verify your various numbers. So the first tab here, this one is where you select the particular service you want to verify. This one here is where you select the country, and you can see that they have one-time number verification and 1 month use only renewable number. But for now, the one-time use only is not available. They only have 1 month use only number, which is renewable. And you see here that the first SMS you get, the first SMS you request using the 1 month use only renewable number, you'll be charged around 0.86 coins. 86 coins. And for the other one, from now, the first SMS is going to cost you 0.68 coins for first SMS. Then thereafter you'll be charged only 0.1 coins per SMS. And remember, they only have, for the USA, the only option available is for 1 month use only, which is renewable. So you can get a number for swagbucks or rainbow or my points or license, which requires verification in every cash out. You can get a number here and use it again for verification. So under the services provided here, you can search any number. For example, they have Tinder, Amazon, PayPal, WhatsApp, anything you think of, even free cash. If you type here free cash, you see they have free cash. If you type here swagbucks, you see they have one number for inbox dollars, swagbucks, my points, and license. you can get one number for 1 month renewable, which can get you the codes from all these sites. So even you can only imagine getting only one permanent USD number to receive codes from all these sites, and it's renewable every month. So if you get it one and you renew it every single month, you can be able to enjoy that particular number for as long as you want. So without even going how to buy credits, let's go first of all to the messages icon here. This is the message icon. Here, all your messages are going to appear here. The numbers, all the numbers you'll be having, they are going to appear here, you see. So under verification now, you can see, first of all, I showed you the sites. They even have banks, USA banks, like let's say, which one did I see? They even have Atapol. All the sites you can think of, they are here. Atapol, all the numbers you can think of. Then another thing, they support different countries, you see. All the tier 1 countries, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, you see. All the tier 1 countries you can think of. Australia. Yeah, but for now, for the option for when you request a country, check here whether it's available. For example, for now Australia is not available. Let's see UK. United States is only available for 1 month renewable. United Kingdom is only available for 1 month use renewable. So as you're interested in the USA, so now from here, now if you want not to get the number, click next. It will prompt you to log into your account, so click OK. Now here is where now you log in your account. So if you don't have an account, you can log in using your local phone number in your country or your email. For example, personally, I registered using my email. So let me just click here and validate. Sorry, I have to put in my email. Yes, like that. Then I have to validate my email. Remember, I registered using my email under this page. You see at the top it's written register and login. So slide like this, verified successfully, then click validate there. It's going to send you a code on your email. So remember the 2 ways of registering. You can register using your phone number, your local country phone number, or using your email. But the email is the easiest. So my code is 3051. Come here and say 3051, like that. Then we are inside. So under here they say that you can buy second or even more phone numbers. Now USA phone numbers only cost 2.49 coins per month. Canada costs 2.49 coins per month. Using this phone number to make phone calls, answer real phone calls, send and receive text messages as secondary SIM card. So this app is quite interesting. It can receive text and send text, and it can receive real phone calls for you. The only thing you cannot do with this app is to call, but you can send and receive text, and you can also receive real phone calls. Those people who like doing online studies, which like calling people for confirmation, you can use this app for that work. So this is a one-time shop, a one-stop shop for all your phone number issues. I decided to post this update instead of keeping it to myself, because I know many people have issues with the USA phone numbers. So now, after registering, you want to buy this 1 month use only. What do you do next? Click next now after you register your account. So you see I have insufficient a balance, so it's going to take me to the page of buying, which is now I have to go now to my profile here to recharge my account. So there are various ways of earning money for recharging. They have various activities you can check. You can check in. You can check in daily, whereby you watch ads and they give you credits. But it's a wrong way of it's a you watch videos. You see, thanks for watching. You earned 0.03 coins this time. So if you don't have money to recharge, if you don't have, you see my balance have updated. If you don't have money to recharge your account, you can come here, do the various activities of checking daily, watch videos, and you'll be earning coins to be able to facilitate your account. But for now, as we don't have time for that, so we want to recharge your account directly, so just click recharge. Under recharge, there are various many options of loading your account. You can load using Google Play, Alipay, Crypto.com. Those who have Crypto.com wallets, Union Pay, and cryptocurrency. So for now, I want us to load 2 coins using cryptocurrency option. And as you can see under crypto, they accept USDT, USDC, TUSD, and Ethereum. Sorry. So just click the amount of coins you want. You have created 2 coins. You just click the option you want to redeem with. Mine is crypto USDT. So click there. After clicking there, always use Tether USD. That's under USDT. Then under here down under network, you can use either TRC20 or you can use either BSC network, or you can use either Polygon. The reason being I'm saying about this, they have the lowest fees, but for now I have a USDT TRC20. So just select it there and click here. You see now I have selected Tether USDT under TRC20 network. It's very cheap. So now you see now what I have to do now is just to send this particular amount to this address. You can deposit. I think you can deposit now. Copied. So we go to trust wallet, verify. So I have like 9 USDT. So we're going to send. So remember, first of all, you copy the address like that. The next thing you do, you copy the amount, particular amount. First of all, I copied the address, then I copied the amount. So again, so copy amount here, paste, then click continue. Always make sure you check when sending crypto. Make sure you send. Oh, I don't have Tron, so I would later on. I will not be able to complete this transaction today because I have to get some Tron from some TRX to complete this trade. So guys, that's how basically you load your account. For now I think I need some USD Tron in my wallet in order to complete this transaction. But all in all, that's how you load your account, and you can load with any particular amount you need. And every month after you buy a number, you can renew it again and again and again. So that was the update I had today for you guys. Thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video. I'm going to pin the link. I'm going to indicate my referral code in the video description, so that if you join using my referral code, you can get 0.2 coins as a reward. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video. Thank you.